Good morning students. Today we are going to see a factorization definition. The process of converting the given higher degree polynomial as the product of factors of its lower degree which cannot be further factorized is called a factorization. For example, if we are taking a number 15 will be write as a 5 into 3 15. So here for the factors for this 15 is 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Next we are taking a number 70. So 70 if you take LCM 70. 2 times if you put 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 5 2s are 10. Then if you put 5 times you will be getting 7. So 7 ones are 7. So 70 we can write it as a 2 into 5 into 7. So for the 70, 2, 5, 7 are the factors for this 70. Next one more example. If you are taking in an algebraic expression x square plus xy we are taking. So first term x square we are having, second term we are having xy. So both the terms like x are common. So one x we are taking as a common. So x into x plus y. Next, two important ways of factorization. First one, by taking common factor. Example, AB plus AC. Here the two terms are there, AB and AC. In both we are having A. So we have to take A as a common factor. Then we have to write the remaining B plus C. So A into B plus C. Next, by grouping them. For example, QA plus QB minus PA minus PB. So by grouping them, we have to take this. We have to take QA plus QB. We have to group them in this two terms. Q as a common, so we have to take Q outside. So the remaining A plus B. Next minus. Now we have to group this two, PA minus PB. So in this tool, P is common, so we have to take PA. P as a common, so we have to take P outside. So A here plus B. Why we are putting plus sign means here minus PB. So here minus sign is there. If you multiply it inside, so P into A minus PA. So this we have to take this minus sign also. Minus P into B minus PB. So we are putting plus sign. Now A plus B and A plus B are common. So we are writing that we are writing A plus B. We are taking outside. Next Q minus P. Last class we learned some identities. Now we have factorization using identities. That identities we are going to use it. Then we are going to factorize a polynomial. So what are all the identities we are going to use? Means see here. First one, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. Next second one, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. Third one, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Next fourth one, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next fifth one, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Next a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Next note, a first one, a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Next a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Next third one, a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Next a power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square. Exercise 3.5. First sum, factorize the following. In that first subdivision, 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square c. Now in these three terms we are having the common terms are a square, a square, a square. Then we see the numbers here 2, here 4, here 8. This 4 and 8 will come in the second table. So we can take in this 3 we can take 2a squared as a common. Then if we are here 2a squared we have taken outside. So here 1 plus in this 4a squared b we have taken 2a squared as a common. So the imbalance is 2b plus here 8a squared c we have taken 2a squared as a common. So balance is 4c. So 2a squared into 1 plus 2b plus 4c. Second subdivision, AB minus AC minus MB plus MC. So first we are grouping this one AB minus AC. So in these two terms A is common. So we are taking A outside, B minus C. Next we are grouping these two terms MB plus MC. We are M as a common. So we are taking M outside. So here B minus C. Why we are putting minus sign means here minus sign is there, so we have to put here minus M. So then only we will get this one MB minus M into B minus MB. Next we have to get here plus MC. So minus M into here minus C, will be getting minus into minus plus M into C MC. So we are getting MC. So that only we are putting here minus sign. Then in this A into B minus C minus M into B minus C, B minus C are common. So we are taking B minus C as a common. Then the remaining is A minus M. So B minus C into A minus M. Next second question, factorize the following. First subdivision, x square plus 4x plus 4. This one we have to factorize by using identities. So this one x square plus 4x plus 4 we are having only 1 square. So by using the identity means we need 2 or more square numbers. So the first we have to write this one as a square, making x square plus 4x. This 4 we can write it as a 2 the whole square. So we are getting here 2 square numbers. So we can use an identity here a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we are having the a square here, a as a x, b as a 2. So we have to find this 2ab. So x square plus b this 2 square plus this 2ab 2 into we have taken a as a x into b as a 2. So we have to put 2 here. So we are getting this x square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 4x. So we are getting 4x we are getting here. So we have got the question here a square x square plus 2 square here 4x. So for this identity a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, we know that a plus b the whole square. So we have taken here a as a x, then b as a 2. So this is equal to x plus 2 the whole square. Now third subdivision, x power 5 minus 16x. In both the terms we are having x. So you are taking one x as a common. If I take an x as a common, so here x power 4 minus 16. Now this x into x power 4 minus the 16 will take x in 2 times. If we put 8 2s are 16, 2 times again 4 2s are 8, 2 times 2 2s are 4, 2 times 1. So 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 power 4. So the 16 we can write it as a 2 power 4. Now equal to x into x power 4 minus 2 power 4. We can compare with this identity a power 4 minus b power 4. So a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b here into a minus b. Now we got this a x power 4 minus 2 power 4 in the form a power 4 minus b power 4. So here our a is our x, b is our 2. So this one we can write it as a x into here a square plus b square. So 2 square x square plus 2 square into x plus 2 into x minus 2. So this one we can write it as a x into x square plus this 2 square we can write it as a 4 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Next, fourth subdivision m square plus 1 by m square minus 23. So first this m square plus m square we have to use an identity a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. This identity we have to use here. This m plus 1 by m squared. So here our a is our m, b is our 1 by m. So m plus 1 by m the whole square minus here a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square minus 2 into ab. A is our m into b 1 by m minus 23. So the m will get cancelled. So we will be getting here 1 m plus 1 by m the whole square minus 2 minus 23. So this one can be written as 1 m plus 1 by m the whole square. Here minus 2 minus 23 both are minus sign. So we can add it. So here minus 25. Now this 25 is a square number. So this 25 listen here, m plus 1 by m the whole square minus this 25 is a square number. This 25 we can write it as a 5 square. M plus 1 by m the whole square minus 5 square. It is in the identity a square minus b square. So our a is m plus 1 by m, our b is 5. So this a square minus b square is equal to by identity a plus b into a minus b. So next we have to write equal to this one a plus b into a minus b we have to write it. So our a is m plus 1 by m plus 1 by m plus b. So b is 5. Here m plus 1 by m plus 5 into m plus 1 by m minus 5. Next, fifth subdivision 6 minus 216 x square. So in the 6 minus 216 x square we can take 6 as a common. So 6 we have taken as a common means 1 minus 36 x square. So 6 into 36 is equal to 216. So this is 6 into 1 minus this 36 we can write it as a 6 square x square. Again we can write the 6 into 1 minus 6 square x square. We can write it as a 6x the whole squared. So again we will write 6 into 1 square, 1 we can write it as a 1 square. So 1 square is 1 only. So 1 square minus 6x the whole square. Now 6 into 1 square minus 6x the whole square. It is this 1 square minus 6x the whole square. It is in the identity a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So the 6 into this a now 1 square minus 6 square is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have to write this a plus b into a minus b. Our a is 1, b is a 6x. So 1 plus 6x into 1 minus 6x. So 6 into 1 plus 6x into 1 minus 6x. Next, sixth subdivision, a square plus 1 by a square minus 18. Now we are taking this a square plus 1 by a square. We are taking an identity a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So here now our a is our a, b is 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2 into a is a, b 1 by a, here minus 18. So a will get cancelled, will be getting a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2 minus 18. So a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 20. So this 20 is not a square number. So here we can't able to use this identity. We can go for another identity with the same a square plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 2ab. Now we got a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 20. This 20 is not a square number. So we can't use this identity. We can go for another identity. The same a plus b, a square plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 2ab. So the same, our a is a only, b is 1 by a only. So a square plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 2ab. Now a minus 1 by a the whole square plus 2 into a into 1 by a, this minus 18. Now a minus 1 by a the whole square plus this 2 a will get cancelled, plus 2 minus 18. So a into 1 by a the whole square, here plus 2 minus 18 minus 16. Now 16 is a square number, so we can write this a minus 1 by a the whole square minus 16, and we can write it as a 4 square. Now we got a minus 1 by a the whole square minus 4 square. Now it is in the identity a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Our a is a minus 1 by a, our b is 4. So we can write here a minus 1 by a plus 4 into a minus 1 by a minus 4. Next, third question, factorize the following. Here first subdivision, 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20zx. So this first 4x square, we can write it as a 2 square x square. This 4 we can write it as a 2 square, then x square we are writing x square plus this 9 we can write it as a 3 square y square plus this 25 we can write it as a 5 square z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. Next, this is equal to this 2 square x square, we can write it as a 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 5z the whole square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. Now we got 3 square numbers. So we can use an identity a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We can use this identity. So now our a is 2x, b is 3y, c is 5z. So 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 5z the whole square plus this 2 into what is our area here? 2x into 2x. B is 3y into 3y plus now 2bc. 2 into B is 3y, C is 5z plus 2 into C 5z, A 2x. Now if we multiply this one, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12xy. So we are getting the question 12xy. Next with 30yz we have to check it. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, y into z, yz. We are getting this 30yz. Now next 20 zx we have to check it. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, z 20x, zx. So 20xz. So we are in here. So the given question we can use this identity a square plus b square, which is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. So this one we can write it as a equal to our a is 2x plus b is 3y plus our c is 5z. So 5z the whole square. Next fourth question, factorize the following. That is first subdivision 8x cube plus 125y cube. This 8x cube plus 125y cube, we can write it as this 8, we can write it as a 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this 8 we are writing as a 2 cube x cube. Next this 125 we can write it as a 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125. So plus 5 cube y cube. So this one again we can write it as a 2x the whole cube plus 5y the whole cube. Now it is in this 2x the whole cube plus 5y the whole cube, it is in the form identity a cube plus b cube. It is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now our a is 2x, b is 5y. So equal to 2x plus 5y into 2x the whole square minus ab. So 2x into 5y plus b is a 5y, 5y the whole square. So this is equal to 2x plus 5y into 4x square minus 10xy. 2 5s are 10, x into y, xy. So 10xy plus 5y the whole square means if 25, 5 if we square it, we will be getting 25y square. Next, third subdivision, a power 6 minus 64. So, this a power 6 you write as it is minus the 64. Take LCM for the 64. If we put 2 times, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again, if we put 2 times, 1 2s are 2, balance 1 12, 6 2s are 12. So, again 2 times, 8 2s are 16. Again 2 times, 4 2s are 8. 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 2 times 1. The 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is equal to how many 2s I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 power 6 we can write. So this 6 power 6. The 64 we can write it as a 2 power 6. Why we are writing now? We know that the identity a power 6 minus b power 6. By using, we have to use an identity here, a power 6 minus b power 6. This identity is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square into a square plus ab plus b square. Now the question it's given, the given question a power 6 minus 2 power 6 is the identity a power 6 minus b power 6. So our a is a, our b is 2. So that's equal to, we have to substitute here. Our a is a, b is 2. So a plus 2 into a minus 2 into this a squared. So here a squared minus ab. So our a is a, b is 2. So 2 into a plus b squared. B squared is b is 2. So 2 squared into a squared plus 2 into a plus 2 squared. So a plus 2 into a minus 2 into a squared minus 2 into a, 2a plus 2 squared is 4 into 4. So into a squared 2 into a, 2a plus 2a plus 2 squared is 4 plus 4. So a plus 2 into a minus 2 into a squared minus 2a plus 4. So a into a squared plus 2a plus 4. Next, fifth question, factorize the following. The first subdivision, x cube plus 8y cube plus 6xy minus 1. First this one we can write it as a x cube plus this 8 we can write it as a 2 cube. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 we can write it as a 2 cube y cube plus 6xy minus 1. So we can see here cube terms are there. So here we can we have an idea to use an identity a cube plus b cube. Why we are not using that identity means a cube plus b cube means here we are only that a cube, there is x cube plus 2 cube y cube term is not there. Apart from that plus 6xy minus 1, the two terms are there. So we can't use that identity there. Here a cube plus b cube. So we can go for another identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is equal to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now we have to see the given question satisfies this left hand side identity, left hand side a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now we got this x cube plus this 2 cube y cube, we can write it as a 2y the whole cube. We need this c cube. So for the c cube plus here minus 1 is there. So we are writing for the c minus 1 the whole cube. Minus 1 the whole cube means here if you multiply minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, again the plus 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1. So we got the minus 1. So for the c we are substituting here minus 1 the whole cube. Here minus 3 into, now we have taken the a as a x into b as a 2y. So 2y, c as a minus 1. So minus 1. So we will be getting x cube plus 2y the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole cube. Here 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1, 6 only. So here minus into minus plus 6 x into y, xy. Now we got the question x cube plus 2y the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube plus 6xy. So by this identity we can do this sum. Now x cube plus 2y the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole cube plus 6xy. The given question satisfies this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So this identity is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So we have to substitute our a is equal to x, b is equal to 2y, c is equal to minus 1. So x plus 2y minus 1. So a plus b plus c into a square x square plus 2y the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square minus ab. So a x into 2y minus BC. So 2y into BC, 2y into minus 1, then minus CA, minus 1 into x. Next we have to write x plus 2y minus 1 into this x squared is x plus this 2y the whole square. So we have to square this 2 and y. So 2 squared is 4, y squared is y. So 4y squared plus minus 1 the whole squared is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So here plus 1 minus x into 2y. So minus 2xy. Here minus 2y into minus 1. So we will be getting here 2y into minus 1 minus 2y, minus into minus plus. So here plus 2y. Next here minus, here minus 1 into x, minus x into minus plus x. So here plus x. So this is equal to x plus 2y minus 1 into x square plus 4y square plus 1 minus 2xy plus 2y plus x.